Now, so it's not allowed to say loud, to talk loud. That's why we're whispering. Charis. Ayan, so napakita ko sa inyo guys, yung aming hotel. Para nandito pala kami ngayon sa Space Hotel. Ayan. So ano lang siya, 2 minutes from Centrum. Ayan. Dito sa Berlin. Yeah, full. Our room number 1 is in the app. And wait, go down, go up. Open the lights. You have the cards? Okay. Careful. It's broken the other side. Careful. Yeah, ayan. Ito yung outer. Ayan, buksan niya ng ilaw. Okay, pasok tayo. Guys. Yes, this is our hotel for here in Berlin. It's good, right? You like it? Yeah, it's another kind of experience ng hotel. Ayan. So, ito yung loob. Pakita ko sa inyo. Door. Ayan, so yun. Close muna natin. Ayan, tapos just like that. Ayan. Tapos close na siya. Tapos, ayan. Kasi ito pong double. Tapos, we have here. Kita niyo ako sa salamin. May salamin na. There's a mirror inside. And that's my lobby. Charging. Ayan. Mamaya-maya din ako mag-charge. Tapos, ayan. Tapos may time. 5:48 na. Dito. Ayan. Ganda. It's another... Yeah, it's beautiful, right, Wilabi? It's good.
It's okay.
It's okay, right? It's good. Yeah, it's okay. Kasi it's another kind of experience namin na first time namin parehas na ganito yung hotel. Space hotel siya, parang robot. Charis. Joke lang. Ayan. So yun, ito yung charger ko. Kasi panubat na ba ako? Yan. Yun na siya, oh. Double bed ito. Meron na naman itong mga single lang. Ito double bed yung kinuha namin. Ayan. Say hi! This is it. One seat. Pahinga lang kami sa bed. Oh my gosh. So this is our hotel. The Space Hotel, our room. It's good. Room. Yes. Separate. May mirror dyan. Ayan. Tapos sink. Tapos dito yung shower. Ayun. Yes. So this is it. May sampay. We can put this outside. Okay. Ito pala siya pagka white. Ayan. So ito yung aming room for today's video. Yeah. So yun. Ito siya. Malaki din siya. Ayan. So yan. The up, the down. Yes, this is it. Yes. And this is all for our room tour. Yeah. Ito lang siya. Space shuttle.